Becoming rich requires a combination of factors including hard work, smart financial decisions, and a bit of luck. Here are some steps you can take to increase your chances of becoming rich. Develop a strong work ethic. Success often requires long hours and dedication. Focus on building a strong work ethic and developing skills that are valuable in the marketplace. Pursue a high-income career. Choosing a career that pays well can be a key factor in building wealth. Consider pursuing a high-income profession like medicine, law, engineering, or finance. Invest in yourself. Continuously learn new skills and knowledge to enhance your professional value. This could include taking courses or certifications in your field, attending conferences or networking events, or pursuing additional education. Live below your means. Frugality is a key trait of many wealthy individuals. Live below your means and save as much as you can. This will give you the capital needed to invest and grow your wealth. Invest wisely. Investing in stocks, real estate, or other assets can provide significant returns over time. Consider working with a financial advisor to develop a sound investment strategy. Build multiple streams of income. In addition to your primary career, consider building multiple streams of income through side businesses or investments. This can diversify your income and provide additional opportunities for growth. Be patient. Building wealth takes time and effort. Stay focused on your goals and don't get discouraged by setbacks or slow progress. Remember, there is no guarantee that you will become rich by following these steps. However, by working hard, making smart financial decisions, and staying disciplined, you can increase your chances of achieving financial success.